okay. I've spent a fair amount of time in the passenger seat here.
Oh, all right. So let's see what kind of layout. Get out of here. Just do a little cruising around.
So docile still, I love that.
Yeah, it's definitely the goal. People get carried away with cam stuff sometimes, and, and especially when you're still dealing with these cylinder heads in specific, and this intake manifold and all that stuff working as an induction package as a whole.
Yeah,
this is a pretty good way to go about it, because you still have plenty of curve to the power band this way too.
Yeah,
you're not limiting it a whole bunch. Up and AC on, or
sure, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
First order of operations there. So make sure we just stay here.
This car is very noticeable.
It is. I think it's the graphics.
Yeah.
I feel like that does it. You get enough contrast and people see
Yeah.
sticker and all
Yeah,
that.
it looks 5 times as crazy when it's stickered up.
Has it ever been just red?
When I bought it, it was just red. It was bone stock. I bought it from AJ Meta. I don't know if you know
Oh, no
him.
kidding.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that was, I think, the first Viper he ever owned.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. That was 2013. That was a while ago.
It was. Oh, this looks fun.
Yeah, so this car's been a couple different iterations. It was red, and then it was red and gold, and then it was red and black, then it was orange and black.
I remember the orange and black.
Yeah, and then now it's just back to red and carbon.
We're doing our slow roll right now. So, in here, I don't know if you're going to see over it, you've got our trim pop position switch in here.
Oh, cool.
So, orange is going to be the fastest it can be with good gradual power curve to it still, not doing anything really dumb. Basically, kind of max accel concept is what that is.
Okay.
If you go to red, it's effectively, if you want to dyno the thing, that's TC off now at that point in time. Otherwise, the traction control system will be active in all of the other modes of this thing. So that way it's always there for you when you need it.
Nice.
So that's just the short version of that. This little guy right here is your rolling anti-lag button.
Okay.
So the way it's calibrated right now is any time, any RPM that you are at, it's going to, it's a momentary switch, so you're going to hold it, and it's going to latch in that engine RPM and target, and then you're going to roll your foot into the throttle. It does not take very much excitation once you're above 3,000, 3,200 RPM to build some decent manifold pressure and let it rip. Obviously, just like the launch control aspect, it's trying to find it down a little bit. Sorry. Just like the launch control aspect, time against that is hard on parts.
Sure.
It just is. Doesn't mean you're gonna, it's gonna be a bad day as soon as you try it. But, keep that in mind, because the harder you make that thing leave, the more likely it is to be bad about it from the driveline aspect.
Fair enough.
So just some wisdom there, I guess you could say. What you'll come to the realization is that the thing has enough area of the curve that rolling anti-lag sounds awesome, looks awesome, is cool and all that. Not exactly a requirement if you're at anywhere near the appropriate RPM range.
Not like a turbo Honda where you really need to lean on that.
Right. So
cool.
15 RPM, 60 miles an hour.
In sixth. Sixth gear is usable.
Usable sixth gear. How about that, man?
That's brand new to me.
Right. It's a whole new world now.
I went from one 506 to another 506. So I haven't experienced an actual usable sixth gear before.
That's good.
it's been, but it's obviously been like a year since I've been in anything like fast.
Yeah.
This thing feels like insane already.
Like, oh. That's not good.
I was zooming around in my Cayenne earlier just so it's not a total shot.
Right, you're like hoping for some like a warm up, like, all right, let me give this a shot and see how it goes. So, give a little roll in here, like a part throttle kind of thing, just to give a little bit of an idea.
Yeah. It moves. It's still super smooth though.
Yeah.
It doesn't like try to rip your face off right out of it, like make it totally uncontrollable. I like that.
Right. Yeah, I mean, as a guessing man, I'm going to say that's around 50-ish percent throttles.
Okay.
Maybe
Jesus.
45,
Okay.
something like that.
That seemed like it was about as fast as it was.
I guess that's totally possible. Yeah, I guess it is totally possible.
The like 3 pulls I ever did where it ran all the way through the pull and something didn't fly off.
But those 3 pulls were so exciting.
They were
at the
really
time.
exciting.
Those are the teasers. Those are like so this is what it could be like?
Yeah,
And you're all
exactly. Exactly.
Well, hopefully now the idea is that you get to make pulls and have a good time with it.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful day in Mexico here. It's looking pretty nice.
Beautiful. Nice day to go exactly the speed limit and not a mile over.
Yeah, right.
God. Holy fuck. That is ungodly. This right now is the fastest thing I've ever been in by a long shot.
Well, that's awesome because it's yours.
Holy fuck. That's Jesus
It's
Christ.
entertaining, isn't it?
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. And this is set at about 1,000 right now?
Yeah, 1,000, 1,050,
Okay.
something like that. So,
Holy
with tapering
fuck.
power curve kind of coming up to that to be
Yeah.
reasonable for you.
Yeah.
So that's the idea.
Well, it's really smooth, but you can only hide so much.
Yeah. Yeah. And at some point, like, you got to roll the beans in it, and it's exciting when you do, but it's that fun thing of Viper where it has that gut punch to it, when you're, once you actually let the torque roll into it all the way.
Well, this thing, yeah, it comes on so smooth, but it keeps on coming on.
Yeah.
It didn't do that before.
No, probably
It
not.
kind of came on at 3,500, 3,700, and then it was like, it went from like quick to like fast.
Yeah.
Now it like just keeps going.
That hooked decently well too. It had a little touch of TC on that.
Okay.
So which the idea is that you don't want to be. The purpose of traction control systems on these cars is not to have it just hammer its life away against it the whole time.
Sure,
It's
yeah.
there as an aid.
Yeah.
As call it a comfort level. Like,
Do you set like a boost target that's about like at a traction limit and then have the TC make up for the difference?
Yeah, kind of. That's a pretty good way to look at it.
Okay.
At the same time, trying to give you some semblance of adjustability with the knob in here at the same time. So that way, if we take this and, if we find an opportunity here in Guadalajara to try something else that will be significantly less. And, that's the only thing about when you have limitations to power like this, like when we're saying, hey, we're going to cap this thing at 1050-ish, well, then it only goes down to 800-ish, so like,
right.
800 still
there's
feels
no way to
pretty
make less
fantastic
than
in
the
second
gauge.
tier.
Yeah.
So, and for you with autocross stuff, do you usually stay in second? Like,
I stay in first.
Oh, okay, good. That's going to be just a lot of fun.
Yeah, it'll be turned all the way down.
Well, find an opportunity. I tried that yesterday, and it worked quite well. I mean, you're able to stay flat-footed into it all the way up, and it'll kind of chatter the motor along until you get near your shift point and then grab your gear.
Nice.
So it should be a usable thing like that.
Good. Yeah, there's a section at VIR where it's like right at the end where you can actually use a little bit of power.
Okay.
And otherwise, the whole course is like, you know, maintenance throttle and just turning as hard as you can and as fast as you can, pretty much. But we got a peace sign from the Saturn up ahead.